wish I might find my one true love tonight. Do you think that it could be you? If I pray really tight, get into a fake bar fight while I'm walking down the avenue. I'd be mad